How can I automate my response to certain emails? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new email received in Gmail. Then we'll be filtering those emails by the subject line and generating a response using the AI wizard by Workload before sending a reply in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. And we'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be email received to filter to wizard to reply. I'm going to click on my trigger box and I'm going to select Gmail as my trigger. And the event is going to be new email received. To make sure I'm connected to my Google account. If you have any issues logging into the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. And we'll test our trigger. So what we're going to do is build a workflow that specifically responds to emails with a subject of task. So this is one of those emails. The message, can you put together a proposal for the Michigan project? So we'll click continue here. For our action, we're going to use tools. We're going to select the AI wizard by workload. The event is going to be prompt your data. The input data is going to be the message from that trigger. We're going to paste in a prompt. You're responding to a task request email. Your message should thank the sender for their task request and ask them to fill out the attached form with more details about the task. So we'll test this action. And we have a response. Thank you for reaching out with your task request. In order to better assist you, could you please fill out the attached form with more details about the Michigan project proposal you are looking for? Perfect. So click continue. We're going to add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. We are going to reply to email. To is going to come from that trigger. That's going to be the initial sender of the email. From is going to be the recipient. The subject is going to be the same subject line of task. The thread ID is going to come from the trigger as well. So I'm going to click on the custom button and then click on step 1 here and find the thread ID. For the message body, I'm going to come to step 2 in the AI wizard. I'm going to select the message. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to go over to the form that I want them to fill out, and I'm going to copy the responder link and paste that into the message body as well. I'm going to click continue and test the action. So that was sent successfully. I can jump over to my sent email and I can see that email was just sent with the subject of task, with the AI generated message, and then the link to the form to fill out. So I can go back over to the workload editor. I don't want to send that form to every email I receive, only to ones with the subject of task. So I'm going to click on the plus symbol and add a filter. The field that I want to filter for is the subject. The condition is equals, and then the value will be the word task. So if the subject equals task, then the AI wizard will create a response and send a reply with a link to that form. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can activate my workflow by clicking the button here, and then whenever I receive a new email with the subject of task, then the AI wizard will create a response and send a reply in Gmail with a link to that form. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that filters your received emails by the subject, generates a message with the AI wizard by Workload, and then sends a reply in Gmail. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video, and click here to subscribe to our channel. Or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.